promised you some batch cooking videos, and that's what I'm doing. I'm putting some meals away to get us through June, which is our type month. We've had a lot of expense with cars and things, well, with our car and things, and June is kind of like we're trying to catch up. So yeah, because people have been asking, why have you got tight month? Well, number one, wages. Number two, the price of everything. Number three, we've had a lot of expense. So I'm going to be batch cooking. I don't do it all in one go because I don't have the time for that. What I am doing today, because I wanted to quickly fry up some mince, no, I just don't have the time for that today. I'm going to get the slow cooker going, and I'm getting it on now. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've just finished work, and yeah, when it's ready later, I can just pop it in the freezer, cool it and pop it in the freezer. Now, I've said before that my kids do like just mince and the sauce, no added extras in the spaghetti bolognese. But I am going to put some onions in, and I'm going to put in a vegetable that I know they like. So not your typical spaghetti bolognese veg, but it's going to bulk it out. And also I'm going to make 2 meals from this 500 grams of beef and pork mince. And I'm going to use 2 sauces, bulk everything out, and I'm going to add in the secret ingredient, which is oats. And that really makes especially a tomato based sort of meal stretch. Now, I know some people fry off their mince before they put it in the slow cooker. I'm not doing that. I don't have time for that. So I'm just putting mine straight in, and you do what you like and what works for you. That's chopped up a little bit. Let's add in the green beans and the onion. I hate these trays, that's why I'm using them up, but I always end up cutting my fingers. Maybe I should have chopped them. I thought these green beans were going to be a side for a meal. I might actually cut them, because I normally cut them smaller, but I left them quite big because I thought it was going to be a side. I just snapped all the green beans so they're a bit smaller, tipped in the onions, and we're going to get the sauce in, and then I'm going to season it. I have put just a little bit of water in to clean the jars, because we're going to have to add a little bit of water to this anyway, so that is what we're doing. Just going to get the water in. Because I've got onion in it, I'm not going to be adding any onion powder. I'm adding garlic powder, some salt and some pepper. This is white pepper, I'm just trying to use it up. And there we go. I'm going to give it a bit of a mix, and then I'm going to add in the oats. This still might need a little bit of water. I check as it's cooking. I don't really leave the slow cooker on when I'm at work. I just don't like doing it. I think any appliance on while you're out isn't a good idea, but I will keep checking how much water, because things are frozen. They'll have a little bit of water that comes out of them. Just keep an eye. I'm adding in just shy of 1 cup of oats. Oats will absorb the sauce. Bulks out your meal, and you can't taste it because it just tastes of whatever sauce you're using. So I think that's pretty well mixed in, and like I said, I will check to see if we need any extra water later, but for right now, oh, nearly dropped that spoon. Right, I'm gonna get this on, and I'm gonna put it on high. I will come back later and show you it, get it dished up into the freezer containers, and we'll get this in the freezer ready for June. And there we go. That's my kinda anything goes spaghetti bolognese that's been on high for about 4 hours. It's got oats, a mix of beef and pork mince, 2 jars of bolognese sauce from Tesco's, some onions I had in the freezer, green beans I had in the freezer, salt and pepper, and some garlic powder. And I'm going to get this portioned up, and as you can see, the oats, you wouldn't know. And this is going to make 2 meals for my family, and we'll just serve it with spaghetti when we want it next month. I've just put the ceramic part of the slow cooker in the sink to soak. I'm reckoning this is about 1 portion for my family, and this. So these aren't as big as I thought they were, but I'll do this for 1 meal and this for another meal. But as you can see, 500 grams of mince has gone quite a long way, and this is my first meal for the freezer. I'm gonna let it cool down. I'll write on the lid so I know what's in it, and yeah, we can get these tucked away for next month. Now tomorrow I'm going to batch cook again. I'm not doing any more tonight. I've got that done and that's fine. I've got these, so I might make a chilli. I have kidney beans, I have onions, I might put some celery in it, because my kids don't always eat chilli. They have to be in the mood for it. So sometimes they have it, and like me and my husband will eat it. Sometimes they have a little bit with some chips, like a little bit of chilli and cheese, but mostly chips. We shall see. But I thought, I've got that pork mince, I'm going to do a chilli, use the things I've got here, add oats again, and try and make another 2 family portions. But really, because my kids don't eat as much of it, like I said, they have it with chips, might stretch to 3. We shall see. I'll probably put it in the foil containers I've got again, because I might be able to get quite a few. We shall see, we shall see. I'll do that tomorrow and I'll take you along with me when I do that, so stay tuned. It's the next day, I'm back from work and I'm ready to batch cook my chilli. I'm going to do 2 family size portions. We don't always have a family size portion because, like I said yesterday, my kids usually have a small amount and they have it like over chips or something, rather than have a big amount with rice like me and my husband will have. But this is going to get 2 family size portions, but I'm using 500 grams of mince because, again, I'm going to be adding oats. I've got a tin of kidney beans for each portion, some onions for each, and then I'm going to put some salt and pepper in. So let's get started. I'm going to be cooking in 2 pans because I need to use my frying pan in a minute to actually cook what we're having for tea. I've got the onions in. I'm going to put half the chilli in. The onions are frozen, so there's going to be some water coming off these, and there will be some fat and water coming off the pork mince, so that will get drained before I add any of the sauces and things. Ignore the slow cooker back there. Have I cleaned the ceramic pot from the slow cooker? No. Is it still soaking in the sink? Yes. I've had a busy work week this week. Sometimes it just works out that my shifts sort of butt up to each other, so I'm trying to get all this done on my work days, which is a little bit trickier, but we're getting it done. So I've cooked through the mince and I've drained off any of the extra liquid. Now we're going to add in some kidney beans. I have drained off most of the liquid, a little bit doesn't matter, so a tin in each one, and then we're going to add the sauce. So 1 per pot. I'm not going to add, can I get the lid off that? I'm not going to add any extra water to this because it's not a slow cooker meal, it's just one I'm making now. And I'm going to, salt and pepper. And finally, I'm doing about half a cup of oats per portion, like per family meal. I'm going to give that a very, very good stir in. And like with the spaghetti bolognese, you won't even notice it when it's cooked because those oats would have absorbed all that chili flavour. Oh, I'm losing it. There we go. Just going to make sure this is all cooked through, and that's my pork mince chili. 2 nice big meal-sized portions. And there we have it. Ready to be cooled and go straight into the freezer. So I'd say this is full. That's a family size, and I do these 2 together as well. These are going to be yummy to eat next month. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.